All right, I got another Cobra 142 GTL in really great shape. Kind of like the other one. This one has the box as well. Looks like it was just really well taken care of. Also got a Silver Eagle here in really nice shape. So yeah, it's a customer Cliff. Sent me the radio in. Wanted to keep it as original as possible. And yeah, that's basically it. Just have a really good working radio, and this is what he definitely has that. So yeah, I got a recap alignment, the works. It's impeccable on the inside. Virtually no marks on this on the outside as well. Looks like somebody ladled the glue in this one. That's all the glue I took out of this radio. Man, it's yeah, it was this one was a tough one to get the glue off, but anyway, yeah, it's like somebody ladled, like a soup ladle, onto some of the troublesome areas. Just all your typical areas where where all the glue was there, back there, on top of those transistors that are over there, in between the two crystals. You can actually kind of maybe see the green corrosion that it was already creating. Yeah, all the typical spots that you would find in a Washington or a 142. They were there, just excessive amounts of it. But yeah, it's out. Caps, these are your caps. So yeah, I mean, you can see just I don't know, it kind of went wild with the glue, but not the worst I've seen, but definitely noticeable. So anyway, yeah, it's recap aligned. Why don't we just get right into it? I have her hooked up to the signal generator, and we have an S9 going to her. All right. Okay, 70. About, I'm not going to get into the argument with the what's S9, what's not. It's right around there. All right, let's see what she's doing for sensitivity. Really good listening radio. So let's get to it. All right, Synapse is on already. Let's turn this volume up. Excuse the tone. 70, minus 80, minus 90. It's minus 100. That's minus 110. 111. It's 112. 13. 14. 15. Sorry for that tone, but this is real work here. Minus 115 dBm. What a really good listening radio this is. Yeah, one of the better ones, to be honest. This is AM, of course. So sideband, you're gonna be a little bit you're gonna get a little bit more sensitivity out of her. But all right, let me get this on the dummy load, and we'll see what she's doing for power and TX. Stand by. All right, we're on AM. It's 4. All right, I'll put this to PEP. Audio. Right around 14. That was AM. Let's do lower sideband. Audio. All right, yelling like an idiot. You get about 15. So really good modulating radio. It's gonna sound perfect. So yeah, this radio, nothing is clipped on it. Nothing. This was a nice original, good quality. Yeah, I mean, just you know, no one's touched this, so this is going to be a really good radio. But yeah, so that's what we got. Let me get this on the we'll get it on the antenna, see if we can get some DX going. I'll get the covers back on. I will get the yeah, just get it all back together and take it from there. So all right, stand by. All right, I think we got some locals arguing. At least someone else finds it amusing as well.
Thanks for the warning. Thanks for the warning.
Yeah, this thing's spot on frequency. Enough with that BS. Let's go to AM.
Let me show you something, Bigger. Says everything in Alabama is illegal. Let me show you what the king can do about that. I can plug your cotton picking nigga. And the king in Alabama is out.
Let's try lower sideband again. Thought I heard somebody. Let me tell you what the sensitivity of this radio has. You'll be able to pick up a lot of those low signals below S1, you know? Like this, actually. Turn it back down and move on. Let me tell you, 38's been busy today. Ever since, I've had it on since 6 in the morning, and it's just been non-stop. It's a really nice mic. It's kind of useless trying to talk on channel 11 or 6 AM without having some support. So we'll leave this as, we'll leave it be. Every once in a while I'll get through on 11 barefoot, but very rare. And never on 6, I think maybe once in my life. But let's go back to lower sideband and see what happens here.
That 4 inches yesterday, which I guess we're the only ones because country fair drive. 102 Tennessee.
You can tell 38's busy when people start going down to like 37, 36, or 39. Well, it looks like Skip's going back out, but all right, guys. Well, sorry about the short video here, but I am slammed with work. I just can't I can't do a full video. So, but I still wanted to do a tune-up report for Cliff, who owns this. So, all right, Cliff. Well, there's your this is your Cobra 142 GTL along with your nice Silver Eagle here. And yeah, I'm sure you're going to be happy with it. You got a good RX, great RX, great TX. It's in magnificent shape, so you know, you're going to have yourself a good radio here. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.